Hi, my name is Terry Clark, and I'm a certified personal fitness trainer and a nutrition coach. Today, I want to talk to you about one of my favorite subjects, coffee, and how to spike coffee to get the best benefits from coffee to burn belly fat.
Coffee has many great benefits from increasing energy, improving alertness and concentration, suppressing appetite, helping you to burn body fat, lowering the risk for many diseases, and protecting you against other diseases. When spiking your coffee, you kind of want to put the right stuff together according to your needs. I'm going to focus on four major organs: the liver, the kidneys, the heart, and the brain. The coffee is going to take care of the brain. For my liver, I'm going to use a Yogi Detox tea for that. Okay, uh, which is going to kind of specialize in dandelion and ginger root and cinnamon bark. Okay, so those are going to be the main focuses of the Yogi Detox. Okay, it's going to help out with the liver. The reason why I want to focus in on the liver because the liver accounts for about 20% of your metabolism, and it's also a cleaning organ. Next one I'm going to focus in is the heart. My heart, I'm going to look at red yeast rice. It's a capsule. I'll open the capsule up and um, drop all the ingredients in the capsule into my coffee. Um, this is going to improve my cholesterol and just help me with my overall health of my heart. Next one's going to be a kidney detox. Um, this capsule is going to allow me to um, detox my kidneys. Kidneys, along with the liver, is another one of those cleansing organs. Cinnamon, okay, Ceylon is the type of cinnamon you want to get. It's going to also be good for your metabolism. This is kind of serving as a sweetener. Also, I'm going to use Premier Protein Shake as a type of coffee creamer to change the flavor of my coffee. There's a lot of different varieties. It's going to spike it with protein, and I'm going to get a boatload of vitamins and nutrients. It's going to prevent me from getting whipped creams and coffee creamers that's got a bunch of empty calories in it. So that's really the main goal here is get the protein and get all of the nutrients and vitamins that I need with my coffee. What I'm actually providing to you is a blueprint that focuses in on the kidneys, the liver, the heart, and the brain, and bringing teas or capsules that allow you to cleanse those organs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a bunch and look forward to talking with you soon.